Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm Sydney. I am a Poshmark seller. I've been selling on Poshmark for 4 years now. I've made thousands of dollars on the app, and over the weekend, past few days, I posted this question. Well, it was kind of an announcement in my Facebook group. My Facebook group is Posh Boss HQ. I will link that down below if you would like to join. But I posted about Poshmark having their closet clear out event, and there were several questions about what closet clear out is, the difference between offer to likers and closet clear out, and if they needed to send offer to likers, and I got a ton of questions about it. So in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between Poshmark's closet clear out feature and then the offer to likers feature. So that's my video for today, and I hope you enjoy. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I will be posting a part 2 to this video to kind of give you guys some tips on how to be more successful with closet clear out and what you need to be doing to prepare for it. So make sure you're subscribed so that you'll get a notification when that video goes up as well. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between closet clear out and the offer to likers feature. I will go over the offer to likers feature first since it's the newest, and then we will talk about closet clear out. So offer to likers is something that you can do every day. It's available in the app every day. You can go into your listings, and anybody who has liked that item, you can send out offers to them, and it has to be 10% lower than the lowest historical offer that you have sent out, and you also have to include a shipping discount of $1.50 or a complete shipping discount of $6.49, which brings it to free shipping. So, like I said, offer to likers is available every day, and you can go into any listing that has likers on it and send it out. So, that has helped me make a ton of sales, honestly. It is a great feature. I'm extremely happy that Poshmark released this feature because I feel like a lot of people are scared to make offers because they don't want to offend anybody. A lot of people aren't used to haggling and they just like to buy things outright. So the offer to likers feature kind of helps with this, whereas you can go in and the ball is in your court and you can reach out to your likers and your customers. So that is the offer to likers feature. It is basically offering a private sale to people who have shown interest in your item. So what closet clear out is not available every day. Closet clear out is kind of an event that Poshmark hosts, like a promotion type thing. They do, every once in a while. So back in the day, they would do it on like holiday weekends, and that was the only way that you could ever discount your shipping. So, before the offer to likers feature existed, all we had in terms of discounted shipping was the closet clear out events that Poshmark would do every once in a while. And in closet clear out, Poshmark actually covers the shipping discount. When you reduce your item 10% lower than the lowest historical price that the item has been listed at, it will drop the shipping to, I believe, $4.99 is the discounted price. And Poshmark covers that discount. You do not cover that discount. That does not come out of your earnings. And offer to likers, whenever you send out an offer with the shipping discount comes out of your earnings, and it will show you how much you will actually earn from the item. Whereas in closet clear out, when you discount your item and it discounts the shipping, Poshmark covers that shipping discount. So that does not come out of your earnings. So, you really have to think about the fact that they do this promotion every once in a while when you are pricing your items. So, offer to likers is something that you can go in and you can utilize every single day to make sales, to make offers, to kind of remind people that your item exists, to offer private sales to people. And then closet clear out is something that Poshmark does once in a while, and then they will cover the shipping discount on your closet clear out when you discount your items. So I hope that explains the difference between the two of these. If you have any questions, if I was not clear on anything, please leave them down in the comments below. And like I said, I will have a part 2 to this video going up in the next little while about tips to use to kind of be more successful with closet clear out. I get a lot of comments that people, they don't have any success with it, and that there is kind of a strategy to it that you have to use to be successful with closet clear out, and I will go over those tips in my next video. If you are watching this later, I will have that video linked in the description box. But if you like these sorts of videos, sort of informational videos about Poshmark, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for real-time updates. I post a ton of Poshmark tips and finds and everything on there. My Instagram is Sydney L. Posh. It is specifically for my Poshmark business and tips and stuff and keeping in touch with you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in part 2.